When you own a nice set of aftermarket powder-coated calipers, you want to keep them looking good. Also, when you hear unwanted noise, for example, it could mean you are overdue for a caliper inspection of wear plates, pistons, and pads. This video will walk you through a step-by-step process for cleaning and inspecting Wilwood's SX6R calipers on a street performance Mustang GT. First of all, do not attempt to clean while the brakes are hot. Do not use brake cleaner. Coat the caliper with a non-abrasive cleaning solution like Simple Green or Shine Supply's Cool Guy. Using a soft bristle brush, work your way around the caliper. Rinse and repeat this step as needed to remove all the dust and dirt off. Then wipe dry using a clean rag or microfiber towel. Next, remove the caliper mounting nuts. Take note of the order and amount of hardware removed for exact reinstallation. Punch out the brake pad retaining pins and hang the caliper out of the way. Be sure to keep pressure and the weight of the caliper off of the hose connection. Remove the rotor to give yourself more workspace. This will also expose the hub, which will be cleaned in a later step. Remove the pad retaining pins and brake pads. Set the pins aside for later cleaning. Also, it is very important not to push dirty pistons back into the caliper body. Continue cleaning inside the caliper with your choice of cleaning solution, soft brush, and water. Caution: avoid using a pressure washer near calipers, as water could get forced past the seals and contaminate your brake fluid. During cleaning, you will notice the wear clips. Remove all four and set them aside to be cleaned. Now is a good time to inspect the pistons and seals for excessive wear or any damage that may need to be addressed. You can temporarily mount the caliper on the bracket for better support while continuing to clean inside and out. Wipe dry when done. Use your cleaning solution on the pad retaining pins and wear clips. If any parts need replacing, now is a good time. At this point, when everything is clean and dry, push the pistons back into the caliper. Reinstall newly purchased or clean and dry wear clips into the caliper and wipe the backing plate of the brake pads clean as well. Being careful to keep the pad friction material clean and dry from any contaminations. Here, we are installing brand new brake pads. Hang the clean caliper out of the way again and move on to the hub. Using a stiff wire brush, clean the face of the hub and back of the mounting hat. It is important to make sure these are clean so the rotor will run true. Reinstall the rotor using 3 lug nuts to hold it in place for caliper mounting. For important details about remounting, refer to original instructions or visit wilwood.com for guidance on your specific brake kit. Remount the caliper using the same number of washers that were removed earlier. Tighten the nuts to the recommended torque spec for your caliper. Then tap in the pad retaining pins to seat them properly. Apply one final cleaning. Wipe dry and remount your wheel to the advised torque spec. Be sure to pump your brake pedal several times before driving your vehicle. If you have any questions or concerns about this procedure, please contact our support lines for assistance.